Is your graphics card outdated, or maybe your games and apps aren't running as smoothly as they should? In this video, I'll show you how to update your graphics card quickly and easily. Start by going down to the Start button on your computer. Then, right-click on it to open the Quick Access menu from the list that appears. Click on Device Manager. This is where Windows lets you manage all the hardware connected to your computer. Once Device Manager opens, look for the section called Display Adapters and click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. Here, you'll see the graphics card installed on your system. If your computer has both integrated and dedicated graphics, you may see more than one option listed. Now right-click on the graphics card you want to update and select Update Driver from the menu. A new window will appear asking how you want to search for drivers. You can choose Search automatically for drivers if you want Windows to find the latest compatible driver for you automatically, which is the easiest option for most people. Or, if you already downloaded a driver file manually from the manufacturer's website, you can select Browse My Computer for drivers instead. For this tutorial, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now start checking for available driver updates if it doesn't immediately find one. You may also see an option to search through Windows Update. Go ahead and click that. From there, install any available updates related to your graphics card and restart your computer if needed. Once the update finishes, your graphics driver will be updated, which can help improve performance, fix bugs, and make games or apps run more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.